Hello, welcome back, Sharon with Serena. In between my Vietnamese, vegetarian, Asian cuisine, I would like to share my journey returning to work with fibromyalgia during this pandemic and my tips of how I deal with this. If you have watched my previous video, I have recommended that you should wear a mask. Disregard what some political leader have told you, because some of them didn't believe that it would matter. I also advise those who have fibro to stay home. Now, I'm returning to work. What is wrong with this picture? When more and more people are dying, how can I explain it? And both of my part-time jobs require to be outside, and one of them, I have to go door to door. By now, you probably think I'm insane. But please, give me a chance to explain. Number one, now everyone is required to wear masks. I feel 50% safer. Here is what I was provided, and I'm very grateful for this because they gave us something. But this is what I got, an N95 mask. This mask is made in USA. It's very comfortable, but wearing during the 90 degrees, it can be uncomfortable. Maybe it's the heat or me. Number two, I appreciate both of my jobs. In my first job, I felt the need to give back to the community. I believe the world is not only my cell or one cell, but many cells. And we are connected. I don't care where you live or what color or race you are, we are the same. We are human. We have fear and emotion. Even if you live in a suppressed country like Hong Kong, we have the same sentiment. We want to live freely, happily, and equally. My other part-time job, I love. I am a media consultant for an adult school. If they open. And I highly recommend every older adult to return to school. It's great for the mind to remember and to retain information. If you're working, listen to the scientists, wear a mask, be informed, wash your hands regularly, and be cautious. I think that I may be okay returning to work. I say the word may, because nothing is guaranteed in life. I don't know what my future would be. And allowing fear because of my fibromyalgia will prevent us from doing a lot of things. Do you agree? Do send me comments and what you're thinking about fear with chronic pain. After getting over my fear and in tune with my emotion, I finally okay with working. But I am taking precautions. I stay in my own space and actually don't eat with my family anymore. It's sad, but that's what it takes. I sanitize my hand a zillion of times. I wash my clothes as soon as I get home. I wear a mask when I am cooking, and even thinking to wear a shield. It seems so ridiculous. Whether you have fibromyalgia, chronic pain, and working, you must consider your nuclear family and the protocols to keep them safe. So if you are living with chronic pain and fibromyalgia, I advise you to get over your fear and embrace your emotion. It's okay to cry when you feel overwhelmed. Embrace your sensitivity, but let it go. Don't bury it inside your mind because it will make you sick. Also, it creates this negative energy and resentment, which is very terrible for people who have chronic pain or fibromyalgia, or even any medical condition. By doing all these things, I get to where I am now. I try to live each moment, appreciate myself and my family, and make sure you. Wow, something is dropping. What I'm saying. Oh, make sure to appreciate your family. Tell them that you love them because you don't know what it will be like tomorrow. Letting go of your fear to restore your life, which I'm trying to do right now. From there on, you will improve and your life will be more productive. Letting go of your fear is a must. Do you agree or disagree? Send me a comment. And if you like this video, share with your friend. Or I think it's raining. Oh my goodness, is it raining? Okay, well I have to go because I don't want my camera to be destroyed. Bye. Thank you for watching.